What's your name?
Maria.
Good. How are you?
I'm happy.
What's this?
Hot.
I'm hot.
I'm hot. I'm cold. I'm happy. I'm hungry. I'm good. I'm fat. Tired.
Excellent. Alright. How old are you? What color is this?
Is purple.
What color is this?
Is red.
It's pink.
Pink.
Yeah. What color is this?
Red.
What color is this?
Yellow.
What color is this?
Green.
Good. Can you point to orange? Where's orange? Orange. Good. Can you point to black?
Black.
Black.
Oh.
Okay. Can you point to blue? Good. Can you point to green? There we go. Alright. Can you paint the triangle green? Green. Good. Triangle. Triangle. Good. Green triangle. Can you paint the heart pink? Good. Pink heart. Can you paint the diamond purple? Can you paint the rectangle red? Red. Rectangle. Very good. Alright. What's this?
Flag. One. Hat. Three. Six. Is. Blue. Sleep. Stop. Yeah.
Read.
Read. Jump. Eat.
Cook.
Cook.
Alright. Do you like juice?
Yeah, I do.
Do you like donuts? Do you like donut juice? Yes, you do. Do you like pizza?
Yeah.
Do you like popcorn? Do you like popcorn?
Yeah.
Do you like popcorn pizza?
Yeah.
Do you like broccoli?
Yeah.
Do you like ice cream?
Yeah.
Do you like broccoli ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. What sport is this?
Tennis.
What is this?
Hockey.
What is this?
Hockey.
Basketball.
Basketball.
What is this? Good. Golf.
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 What is this?
Football.
Okay.
Table.
Yeah, there we go. Alright. Which animal's name starts with fish?
Fish.
Which animal's name starts with d?
Duck.
Good. What's the duck? Yeah, good. Which animal's name starts with l?
Lion.
Yeah, good. Lion. Which animal's name starts with e?
Elephant.
Elephant. Easy. Alright. Can you spell sick? S. I. K. Yeah. Very good. Now, S. I. K. Sick. Good. Okay, what number is this?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100,
Good. What number is this?
20, 80, 40, 30, 60, 100.
Easy. Okay, let's do some numbers. Okay, what number is this?
90,
What number is this?
78.
Easy. What number is this?
149.
What number is this?
89. I said no, 99.
98.
8.
There we go. One more. What number is this?
25.
Easy. Alright. Alright, well done. That's the end of the test. Good.